Are you tired of missing out on potential leads while you sleep? This is a common predicament for many businesses. The traditional 9-to-5 business model doesn't cut it anymore, not in this global, always-on marketplace. Every missed lead could be a missed sale, a missed opportunity to grow your business and increase your revenue. It's like leaving money on the table while you're off the clock. But what if there's a way to capture those leads around the clock? Enter Chatbotic. Introducing Chatbotic, your 24/7 sales and support warrior. This isn't your average chatbot. Imagine having a tool that not only works around the clock, but also intelligently responds to your visitors' inquiries, collecting only high-quality leads. Chatbotic does just that and more. It boosts engagement with personalized AI-driven responses. No canned responses, no robotic scripts, just spot-on, relevant interaction that keeps your visitors engaged and wanting more. But it doesn't stop there. Chatbotic takes lead generation to a whole new level, automating the process and ensuring you get the cream of the crop when it comes to potential customers. Think of the support costs you could save with automation. That's right, Chatbotic eliminates those costs, handling inquiries and providing support without a hitch. And let's not forget about sales. Watch your numbers skyrocket with Chatbotic's intelligent responses, turning curious visitors into satisfied customers. And that's not all. With Chatbotic, you can customize to match your unique brand or agency need. Investing in Chatbotic is risk-free. That's right, folks. It's not just about bringing in an AI-powered chatbot to do the heavy lifting for you. It's about making a safe, smart investment in the future of your business. How can we be so sure? Because Chatbotic comes with a solid 30-day money-back guarantee. Chatbotic isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. It's your tireless, round-the-clock sales and support warrior, always ready to engage, always ready to convert. It's not just about automating responses, it's about personalizing them, making each interaction count, and making every visitor feel valued. But it's not just about the here and now. It's about the long run, about how much you can save by eliminating support costs, about how much you can earn by never missing a lead, and about how much you can grow by always being there for your customers day in, day out. Chatbotic is not just another chatbot, it's an investment in your brand, an investment in your growth, and an investment in your future. And the best part? It's customizable to your unique brand or agency needs, ensuring that Chatbotic fits right into your business like a glove. Are you ready to transform your business and never miss a lead again? Check the link in the description to watch a Chatbotic demo today.